China is the biggest exporting country in the world, replacing the United States in 2013. It is also involved in the most trade disputes. The Ministry of Commerce says China has been the target of the biggest number of anti-dumping cases for the last 21 years and subject to the biggest number of anti-subsidy cases 10 years in a row. According to China's Ministry of Commerce, there were 117 trade remedy cases brought against Chinese companies this year. That's about one complaint against China every 3 days. About $14 billion worth of products were affected. The number of trade remedy cases against China was up nearly 35% from last year, while the capital involved in the cases increased by about 70%. Steel, ceramic tiles, and solar panels are major sectors that have been targeted in the trade disputes. China's Ministry of Commerce admits that China's fast-growing trade volume puts pressure on other countries. But it says some countries' surrogate country approach also contributes to trade frictions.
They use twisted standards to judge if a Chinese company is dumping. Actually, because of the fierce competition in China's domestic market, product prices are indeed very low. Some countries do not accept this low price, so their judgment on the extent of dumping does not match reality.
Under the surrogate country approach, WTO members use costs of production in the third country, which is called a surrogate country, to calculate the value of products from countries on its non-market economy list. China is included on that list. The practice makes it easy for countries to levy high tariffs in trade disputes. China says that according to Article 15 of the accession protocol it signed when it joined the World Trade Organization in 2001, the surrogate country approach should have expired on December 11, 2016.
I think this is very clear and is an international obligation that should be unconditionally carried out by WTO members. We will protect our legal right through all means.
China launched dispute settlement procedures at the WTO earlier this month. It wants consultations with the U.S. and the European Union to end their surrogate country approach in calculating anti-dumping measures against Chinese exports. Wang Hui, CCTV, Beijing.